Alright, hello. We're playing a Subnauticus. A Subnauticus is what we're playing. It's some game on Xbox One. I don't even got the full game. I just got the 60-minute trial in case if I enjoy it. And we're going to get right into it. Oh, whoa. Alright. Freedom. Survival. Avoid damn dangerous creatures. Find resources and manage hunger and thirst to survive, which is most likely what we're going to do. Freedom. Like survival, but without hunger or thirst. Hardcore. Survival mode with only one life. No O2 alerts. And creative, which we all should know from a very special game. Build anything with no... Okay, let's play the game. Survival. Look at that ship go down. The fuck all this loading? All this fucking loading? Are you fucking serious? Alright, freaking finally something's going on. That was the longest loading I've ever been in. Like, shoot. Like, really? Like, really? Oh. Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh, shit. Ah, man. Ah, man. Come on. And he's... Whoa. Oh. How the world. Man. Oh. Okay. This ain't working. This is not working. I can't climb up it like. How do you climb? The world. Do not climb, you go down. What in the...
Attention.
Freaking finally.
Local radio.
Shut up, woman.
Greetings, survivor. Great job not dying. To assist you in further survival in emergency situations, you have been issued this personal data assistant. The interface visible now will organize your inventory, display currently available construction blueprints, and holds other valuable information.
Oh, look at all this stuff.
Please
Crap.
take a moment to familiarize yourself with it.
Alright. Alright, so let's start searching around for some stuff. Flare. How do you take the flare? There aren't. Okay. Alright, alright. Alright, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Alright, so... Whoa. I don't have a weld. Medic, you're gonna need that. I don't have a weld. Let's get that health kit on us, shall we? Yep. The world. Self-charge, 25, 25. Okay. Alright, what is our objective? Is there even one objective? I don't know if there's any objective to this. I mean, like, I'm gonna fix this up and see if anything, we can get anything going right there. Look at that bird. So wait, what am I doing? Anybody want to tell me? Let's get back in here for a little bit, so I know what the heck we're doing. Do I don't have a weld? No. Alright, well, I guess that's it for this place, because I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go check that little ship out. Wait, why is it doing that? I'm gonna need to figure out how to fix it. Something. Because I don't know what's up with it. Alright, this is not really working right now. This is really not working right now. It's very bad. Oh my freaking god. Retreat. Oh, what the world was that? What was that? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. And I don't got anything to protect me. What was that? I don't know. That was very stupid thinking of me. Well, we made it back. There's got to be a way I can drive this. If I can't swim out, I can drive it. Yeah. I don't know what's up with that, but everything's offline. I'm actually halfway starving. Like, what do I do? What? There's nothing out here. I can't swim over there. I want to freaking drown myself to death. And I cannot drive this stupid thing.
Warning, local radiation readings exhibit characteristics consistent with total degradation of the Aurora's dark matter drive core. A quantum detonation will occur with a probability of 85.5%. Advise observing a 1 kilometer safety range.
We're gonna have to Google this. Oh. Okay, so basically as I was watching through that video, horrible video. Oh my god, what is out there? He was just picking up stuff and
emergency. 10 seconds
what is
of
that?
oxygen remain.
So yeah, he was just picking up stuff to... What in the world? It's even safe to be out here. I am armed with a flare, I guess. What the fuck is this noise for? fucking swear something comes out here like on some real shit that something comes. What was that? I got a fucking egg. Give me fudging egg. This is not even funny anymore. This game is weird on so many levels. That was that. That's my body. Damn, I'm so freaking skinny. Like a twig. Oh, oh, what was that? Oh, God. What's that? What's that? What's that? What? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, shoot. What in the world? Look at the moon. Look like the moon's about to hit it. What the world? What is going on here? Like, what is going on here? Like, freaking... What's going on here? Alright, well... I know a teeny bit of what I'm doing. Not really. Obviously, I can't craft anything right now, so... That's where all the gay stuff just happened. So... I'm going back down there. Oh, God! Oh! The world was that? I'm going back there for my limestone. Oh, God. You can hit me. I need that limestone. I don't think you freaking understand. I'm going home with some limestone. There it is. Got some. Got copper. It's copper, alright. Freaking one of the worst starts I ever had with a survival game, because right now everything is not going well as planned. Everything is not going well as planned right now. This is some butter biscuit. I don't know why I said that, but I'm going back down there. There's only one more thing that can harm me. Yep, that's not gonna work. It's not gonna work out. I'm gonna die here. I'm gonna die here.
10 seconds of
I'm gonna die where I spawn at. This is the life. Titanium. Alright, we're going somewhere now. Quartz. Lead. Alright, alright.
10 seconds of oxygen remaining.